What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Rudy for Team Green Trading, and today we're going to be talking about fractional shares. What are fractional shares, the benefits of fractional shares, and how to get started with fractional shares. So if you're a beginner and you're new to trading, as you know, the whole goal is buying shares of a company. So right now, shares can be pricey depending on what the stock is and how much that stock price is. So let me first and foremost tell you what fractional shares are. Let's see what Google's definition of a fractional share is. So a fractional share is a partial ownership of a company's stock, meaning you buy a piece of a share rather than a whole one, allowing investors to invest a specific amount of money in a stock, even if the full share price is beyond their budget. Essentially, it's a fraction of a single share. Now let's see what some current share prices are going for of some popular companies. So right now, if you want to buy one share of Meta, which is Facebook, you're looking at $585.25 a share. So if you want to get in the game buying whole shares, you have to have $585.25. Now let's look at Apple. Apple right now is currently trading at $254.49. So if you want to buy one whole share of Apple, you need $254.49. And let's just look at one more, which is very popular, which is very hot right now, is Tesla. Tesla is currently trading at $421.06 a share. So if you want to get in the game, you need $421.06 to get in one Tesla share. But the beautiful part of fractional shares is fractional shares allow you to start investing with as little as $5, $10, $20. So if you don't have the whole 400 and something dollars for Tesla, you can just start investing daily, weekly, monthly at smaller amounts in those companies that you choose to invest in. So you don't have to have a bunch of money to get started in the stock market. You just need a little bit of money that you can start investing, whether it be daily, whether it be weekly, whether it be monthly, bi-weekly, whatever it may be. You can just start investing in fractional shares, and that is going to get you started in the game of investing. So don't think that you need to wait to have $400, $500 to invest in Meta when you can start investing with whatever you have laying around in spare change right now currently. Now, one platform that's a really good platform to use that does allow fractional shares, which not all platforms allow you to invest in fractional shares, but one that does, and it's the one that I use, it's Webull. So Webull is a great broker that allows you to invest in fractional shares. And if you want to get started with Webull, shoot me a message in the DM, or you can click on my Webull link below to get started today. Now, if you have any questions getting signed up for Webull, again, hit me in the DM. We'll walk you through it and get you started. So there is no excuse to not start investing when you can start investing today in fractional shares. Hope this helps. This is your boy Rudy for Team Green Trading. We'll see you in the next video. And also make sure you hit like, hit subscribe so that you can be informed when we make more videos like the one you see right now. Peace.
Wall Street dreams, scheme and money machines, pockets bloated, swollen, Team Green supreme, tick-tock clock, making the paper gleam, bull market, we savage, ain't no in between.
Day trade, night shift, we hustle, no wait, options popping, profits dropping, big cake, charts on my screen, eyes keen, no mistake, Team Green, rise steady, climb, elevate, sound profits, rack stacking, never lean, Team Green taking over, market so pristine, crypto dips, we flip, wallets obscene, riding high, no lie, we the cash machine, candlestick reading, future.